Dear children, the next faith that took place during those times was Jainism. Let's study about Jainism in this module. The proponent of Jainism was Rishabhdev. There is a tradition of 24 Tirthankaras in Jainism. The last Tirthankara was Mahavira. The credit for giving Jainism a definite form goes to Vardhaman Mahavira. Jainism is a classical philosophy which believes in self-restraint. It is based on the teachings of Tirthankaras. Vardhaman was born in 599 at Kundagram near Vaishali in Bihar. His father was the head of Jantrika tribe and his mother Trishla was Lichavi princess. He belonged to a royal family. He led an ordinary life up to the age of 30 years. He saw sufferings around him, so he left home in search for truth. As he wanted to know the true meaning of life, he wandered from place to place for 12 long years and attained Kaivalya, supreme knowledge, and thus came to be called Jina or the great conqueror. Mahavira traveled from place to place for the rest of his life, teaching the new faith. Jainism spread over a large region including Magdha, Anga, Mithila and Kusala. His followers came to be known as Jains. Mahavira was revered as Jina the conqueror. He visited the court of Bimbisara and Ajatashatru. Mahavira taught in Prakrit, a language which the common people spoke. He preached non-violence and non-injury to all living beings. Later, Jainism branched out into two sects, Shwetambaras and Digambaras. The former comprised of those munis or saints who wore white clothes, and the later comprised of those munis who wore nothing and possessed no clothes. These sects continue to exist even today. Now, teachings of Jainism. Mahavira was against rituals and sacrifices. He believed that every living being has a soul. Therefore, one should not harm any living being. Even the unconscious killing of an ant is a sin. The success of Jainism lies in its simple teachings. Its teachings are called Triratna or three jewels, which are right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. Mahavira believed that a person's actions in his present life would determine if he suffered or prospered in the next life. Salvation could be attained by following three jewels. Jain monks adhere to tenets of non-violence very rigidly. They do not use footwear and carry feather duster to brush ants and other insects out of their path to avoid trampling them as they walk. They cover their mouths with a length of white cloth so as not to breathe in tiny things in the air and thus avoid killing them.